Hey Lynn, so I sent you the link to this page and you have your username and password. So all you're going to do is log in and it's going to take you to the back end of the website. That's called your dashboard. And I'm going to show you how to do posts. That's the thing I think you were most concerned with. So you'll click on all posts and it'll show you all of your posts. So you have this one, the Dave Matthews Band one, that is in a draft. So let's say you want to publish that or work on it. You just click on the title and it'll take you to that post. And you'll see here's all your text that you had put in. There's a visual, if you look, a visual and a text block. The text, if you click on that, it's going to show you all the code. So you can probably do everything you want in the visual. There's also a little thing, it's called toggle toolbar, and that's this little icon right here. You want to click that and that'll open up these extra options for you. So let's say you want to make this text bold. You just highlight it, click bold, and it'll be bold. And if you want to take it back, of course somebody calls me. Anyway, do that. And then that's just a normal text, this paragraph. Let's say you want to make it a heading 1. See how it made it a lot bigger? Heading 2, heading 3. You can change the size of the text by doing that. You can change the font color by clicking on that. You can make it blue, whatever color you want. Let's go back to black. And like this image here, let's say you want to put another image in there. Put your cursor wherever you want the image, click Add Media. That's going to open up your media library. Your media library has every image that's been loaded into your website. If you want to add a new image, you're going to click Upload Files, and this is going to select from your computer. So let's say I want to go to my desktop and find an image, and let's put my dog in there. It's uploading, and then you'll notice over to the lower right hand side you can put a caption in here if you want. I'll do it just to show you. Alignment, that's if you want it left aligned, to the left of everything, or to the right aligned. Media file, just leave media file. If you want a custom URL, that's like if you're putting in a picture that like links to somebody else's website. And then you would do custom and put their website address here. And then you'll also have sizing options. This is a very small picture, so it just did full size, 180 by 180. And then all you're going to do is click Insert into Post. And there it is. And it shows up with the caption. Okay. Now let's say, oh, I don't like that, or I want it someplace else. Just click on it and hit Remove. Here's your categories. This is what I was talking about. The homepage pulls from featured category is the one at the top of the homepage. So just put one in there. Like right now we have it set for a certain post, and so if you're going to have this post be the featured one, go into the other post and uncheck that box so that you only have one featured post. You can also add new categories as you go along. I don't know what you're going to be talking about, like pool or dog, family, whatever. And you'll just type in family, add new category. And it'll show up here, and it'll automatically be checked. And it'll save that, so every time you go into a new post, you'll have all your categories over there. Then all you're going to do is click Publish, and that'll make the post live. Now, right now it's a draft, so you can save it as a draft if you want to keep working on it, or you can make it public by publishing it. So that's it on doing a current post. Now if you want to add a new post, you just click the Add New button up there or over to the left-hand side, and it's going to take you to a new post page. And you'll just put the new title, and then this is your content, just like we were saying. And then let's put it into uncategorized, and then once you're done typing all your stuff for your post, you just click Publish or Save as Draft again. And that's it. And then your pages, those are posts. Pages work exactly the same way. So let's say you want to edit the content that's on your About Me page. Use this About Me page. My computer's being real slow. And then here's the text that you have in there right now. So, and you spelled Rogers wrong again. There, I fixed that. I'm going to update. So, okay, so I make the changes I want. I add a couple pictures, whatever, and then I'm going to click Update. And it's going to update that page. Go to the About Me. And you'll notice Rogers is spelled right this time. And pages for pages, if you want to add a new page, you can do it by clicking this Add New, just like a post. The problem is it's not going to show up in your address bar up here, your navigation. So if you do add a new page, you're going to have to go to Appearance, Menus, and you can Google all this and just watch YouTube videos, just, you know, how to add a new page to WordPress. And you'll get like 1,000 videos on how to do any of this stuff. And so you'll find a new page. Your most recent page is over here. Let's say I was working on a font page for you, and you'll just add it to Menu. This is your main menu, and then you can actually move that around wherever you want. Just pick it up and drop it, and it'll show up, and then you'll click Save Menu. I don't want to do that, of course. Let me see the settings here, what we did for your... And it's always going to ask you, like if you do something on a page and you didn't save it, it's going to say, are you sure you want to save it? And that's just a safeguard to make sure you don't delete stuff that you've worked on. I'm just checking. Okay, so there's your email. This is under your settings, general. And if you want to change your email address, that's where you would do it. Darn, you spelled Rogers wrong everywhere, girl. And then, okay, so I'm going to save the changes. And that's pretty much it. All this other stuff that you see on the left-hand side, all these links, you shouldn't need to mess with any of that. That's all, like, it's a very extensive theme, but we made your site really easy. So you really shouldn't need to do any of this kind of stuff. And then also you're going to see these little like orange dots. It says 2 and 1. That means there's something that needs updated. Don't do those because you can mess the website up by doing that. Just leave those. Like, this is the latest version of the theme, latest version of all the plugins right now, and so you should be fine for a very long time on this. If you start seeing any issues, then send me an email and I can go in and update it for you. So anyway, that's it. Oh, your users, let's say you want to, I think you already know how to do this because you set your password to temporary. But let's say you want to change it back. So you're going to go click on your username, and then that's going to pull up your profile, and this is where you can change your password. You can change your email for that username, and then you can also, if you scroll down, you can put in a new password, and then you'll have to enter it again and update profile, and that will save your password. Okay, so it looks like you have DreamHost support. Let me see these users, and you don't. They must have gone in and helped you set this up. So I'm going to delete them, because you don't ever want to leave someone like that in there. Okay, so anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email or call me. My number is 317-626-7396, and my email is info@fastandfriendlywebsites.com. Talk to you later. Bye.